with a search warrant went to two premises. This led to the discovery of a firearm loaded with 14 9mm rounds. Two persons were arrested in connection with the seizure and are to be questioned in the presence of their attorneys. In the second incident, at about 5 p.m., the police went to Hampstead District in Yallas to search the house of another suspect. Upon arrival of the police team, the suspect reportedly pulled a firearm from his waistband and threw it into a bedroom. The police reportedly retrieved the weapon loaded with a magazine containing 24 9mm rounds. Two men and a woman were arrested during that second incident. The police say they now have the tools to properly prosecute persons with noisy vehicles under the new road traffic regulations. More in this report.
Decibel meters like these taken from the Amazon website are expected to help improve public order on Jamaica's roadways. Under the new road traffic regulations, persons who modify the muffler systems on their vehicles so that they exceed specified noise limits could be fined up to $15,000 or jailed for 2 weeks.
We will be utilizing our decibel meters. For motorcycles, they should not exceed 85 decibels. For motor cars and medium trucks, shouldn't exceed 90, and for large trucks, 95. So motorcycles in particular, not only will be measuring, but if they are seen and stopped and they are over that noise level and so on, then they are not going to be allowed to continue their journey.
Head of the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch, PSTEB, ACP Gary McKenzie, says the license plates will be removed, the motorcycles confiscated and returned once the driver replaces or adjusts the mufflers.
And when persons have mufflers like those, it's not like they can turn it off when they are going through silent zones and so on.
That's breaching another road traffic regulation, failing to observe silent zones, which attracts a $5,000 fine and 2 demerit points. And from noisy to smoky vehicles, under Regulation 66.2 of the new road traffic law, motorists can also be fined $10,000 for operating vehicles where the exhaust or smoke from the engine causes nuisance or obstructs the vision of other road users. ACP McKenzie says the vehicle would be considered defective and a certifying examiner called in to check it, who may issue a certificate of defect and order that the license plates be removed.
The plates would be retained by the police, and the person will have to go and remedy the situation, then go back to the certifying examination depot to have it checked, and if it is corrected, then another certificate would be issued, certificates of defect remedied, and then they would return to the police, show them that, and get back the plates.
He says state-owned vehicles such as Jamaica Urban Transit JUTC buses will not be exempt.
We expect every vehicle on the roadway to conform with the rules. That is the expectation. And so where the police sees that, the expectation is that they will take the requisite actions.